So enough of them call me. And them say we are a big man, and we are the big man. And the big man them sit up on the side and they just watch me for years. Them say me else they get. So now we just get a tent over there, so $200, one man buy the tent, one man buy the TV. We bring the Marcus Garvey lecture. We bring Shaka Zulu up on the projector.
Call me up, man.
You see me? So we have to go make some money. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, they have to go like that.
So, come up here and we do it. You got a real thing. Oh, someone's on 100 views and say, my brother did it the right way, my brother. This not stumble. This a mark and brick when we in terms of information. You know, so we are building. And the struggle is real.
Yes.
And even with you, you are going to face it. Yes. And nothing wrong with that.
Yes. You know the one storyline. You see the one them will come and go. The friends on the floor. Hey, let's look at that drink. The first man ever. A big man. Say, yo, Randy, Bricks and Martha, show me respect. Enough of them call me and disappear. But Garvey, now I'm going nowhere.
I tell my wife, because she made me big into these things, and I tell her, and I say, we go around and the pizza place, and I say, Randy, look, right, yanks up, a flanker. The watch that you have to sold with a flanker there. Where with the restaurant,
Pepper spice.
Yes. Mr. One day, we take anything you support, we have to support. So.
Wow.
Yeah. Right when we are going to
when you go niggas go rooms, there's a man named Dust. Just go rooms and Google it. A pork man right in front of it.
I have a girl, church chicken, no one.
Porkies.
Porky, we don't get a chance.
Hey, we got to go down there together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Where my wife down here, we all roll up here.
Okay, good.
Yo.
I mean that right there.
Okay, now you. So brother, there's a man named Dust too. In a nigga we just find Dust. Then you're traveling all the time.
How is your lobster?
Amazing. Thank you.
Yeah?
You had anything to do with it?
I blessed it with love.
There you go, honey.
How's your lobster, mama?
Great.
Oh, wow. Wow. Living the life in Jamaica, huh?
Living the life. This is it right here.
This is it right here. This is it. I'm going to have to send you guys this clip. Y'all look good on this.
I'm staying for the party tonight.
Oh, and me too. Me
You
too.
want to be here?
Yeah. Yes. Captain Wong's birthday. We are going to celebrate the chef, Captain Wong, on Jamaica Good Life with Lisa Brown.
Don't you know I love you? So deep
Look, it's Captain Wong's birthday and he's working so hard. Captain Wong! Happy birthday, Captain!
Happy birthday!
That's right! Everybody say happy birthday, Captain! Woo!
Big one run the whole system as an electrician.
Excuse me, I'm just going right here, okay? You good?
I'm great, my lady. Bless it.
Look at this, people. You can't ask for nothing better than this. This is all about traveling with Lisa. And when you travel with Lisa, even if you haven't even left your home, this is what you get. You know, because Lisa's going to take you on the road with her along with Jamaica Good Life, and we're going to make it happen. And any fear you have of traveling, drop it, because this is what's waiting for you. Look at this, people. Look at this. This is what is waiting for you. As far as you can see, this is Jamaica Good Life. Jamaica Good Life. Look at this, people. All free and natural. Look at this. Look at this. Traveling with Lisa ain't no joke. Ah, look at this. Oh my God, Jamaica Good Life, thank you. Hey, y'all don't know what you're missing. You gotta get in touch with Jamaica Good Life. Oh my gosh, right on the sea. We're hanging out, celebrating Captain's birthday. Oh. Look at this, people. This is all natural. There's Jamaica Good Life right over there. Anywhere you want to go, just get in touch with Jamaica Good Life. He knows exactly where to take you. Exactly for you to go to the right spots here in Jamaica. You can't go wrong. He has taxi drivers. He has hotels. He has guest houses. You know, bring your bike along if you want to ride your bike. Look, whatever you want. Whatever you want. Look, ain't nobody struggling out here. People are living. Check out this park. Look at that. Natural. Okay? Natural. Natural. Look at that. Make it what you want. Look at folks coming from New York City having their food. Look at this. Look, beautiful people. Look at our people. This is ours. This is our land. Look at this, people. And I got beside me the doctor of health. Where's the doctor of health? The doctor.
He's right here. He's always
doctor
going to be here. He's
health.
always going to be here. Positive energy.
Yeah, he said, you know what? Keep the cholesterol down. Leave the gravy alone. Okay? Leave the gravy, the fried food, and just eat natural.
Have your everyday natural.
Every day.
Natural.
Grow what you eat what you grow.
That's just the simplest way.
Oh my God. Ain't he handsome? Look at this handsome doctor. Come on now. Ladies.
I'm going for my degree.
Ladies. Ladies.
I got it.
Ladies.
It's right here.
One more time. Ladies.
It's right here.
Be careful now. The doctor can heal you. Hey.
In every way.
Hey.
I got your back, sister. Very well.
This is Jamaica Good Life and traveling with Lisa Brown.
Wow, the music nice. The vibe is right. Yo, look like I can't live tonight, but now live. Right, to the vibe, yo. You see the music and this your vibe, yeah? Can't get it again, you know, for a long time, brother. Alright, that's good, that's good. Yep. Give thanks and mercy. The Almighty will bless you with many more children.
Give thanks to you too.
Can't people, let me tell you something. You see the liberty I want to witness right now? You see the liberty I want to witness right now? This is normal. This is it. I make the phone jump in the back. Pull it back at it.
This.
And then you can touch that and boom. You know.
Boy, you should smell this.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. This is Jamaica Good Life. Happy New Year to everybody. To everyone all over the world. All the boys and girls. Tell me how it is going. Alright now. We deal with the boat more time, not the cow.
You want a spoon?
Yes, please, sir.
Alright.
Pick on the sound now. It's a party, you get free food, soup, and give them a whole vibe. It don't happen like this in a night.
On top of you.
How do you feel, Chef?
I feel great.
This is Jamaica.
How do you feel, Chef?
Great, man.
All right.
It's a new year.
It's a new year.
Having a peace.
What do you want to tell the people around the world?
And let's just live peace and love and eat good food. That's what it's all about.
And what? Do you want them to
Enjoy
come
life.
visit you?
Of course, we're here. This is the Captain's Hut. We're normally a seafood place, but we cater any kind of meal, any type of meat. Once in a while we'll cook like we're cooking here. On a daily basis we're straight seafood. But we're here by the Fisherman's Beach in Montego Bay and it's awesome.
So one more time in 2023, what do you want to tell the world?
Come and eat, come to Jamaica, visit, enjoy all the ambience and everything, the natural living, just come down.
All right.
And love, peace and love, and many people.
The goat,
How is it?
don't stay remote, you can come and get the goat. This is Jamaica good life. Taste it, Nathan.
The goat is as good as the fire. You see the fire right here? This is how that goat is. Let's taste it. This is
the whole live it here.
I don't like